Get up and don't let the boats run away. No, no.
What sound is this?
Looks like they're coming.
Peace be upon the elders of Mecca.
Did you arrest them?
Tell me. Come on, hurry up.
We arrived too late. They set sail for Abyssinia in 2 boats.
Curse you, incompetent people.
Fate favored them, otherwise we would not have failed.
You see, normally a single boat sails per week. But tonight 2 boats left. That too on the occasion when the misguided people had reached the port. Curse on such fate.
Don't worry. Keep calm, it doesn't matter. Our troubles have just increased. Don't be stingy. Just open the gold coin bags. That's it.
What do you mean?
We will bring them back from Abyssinia.
This is not possible. Now our hands cannot reach them. Najashi will not hand over to us those who will take refuge with him.
There is a way out of this too. We have some friends in Najashi's court. It is better to send Umar bin As and Abdullah bin Rubayya to the court of Najashi with heavy gifts. Both are cunning individuals, experienced and cunning. It will not take long and they will return with the fugitives. Are you guys ready?
Yes. Yes, we are ready to leave.
Great, great. Are you ready to prepare gifts? You know how to talk to Najashi.
Yes, don't worry.
The outcome of this journey depends on your intellect.
Yes, don't worry. Rabia and I are well aware of the importance of this journey. That they must expel the refugees.
You guys, don't believe in yourself to that extent and don't take things easy. Jaffer is the leader of a group of refugees. He inherited the art of oratory from his father Abu Talib. I don't think he will sit idle and let you guys achieve your goal.
You might think so. He may be superior to us in speech, but the courtiers will mostly look at our hand. When good and wise words come out of the mouth of a narrow hand, their status is like a water bubble. O great and just King Najashi! Recently a group of some irrational people have abandoned the religion of their forefathers and adopted a new religion, which is not similar to the official religion of your country Abyssinia, or the religion of our ancestors. The group's goal is to sow discord and gain control of Mecca. These people have taken refuge in your country, so that they can take advantage of the peaceful atmosphere of freedom, and those who respect the views of others, to promote the dangerous religion in your country. And then you know what will happen. On behalf of the nobles of Mecca, I salute the mighty king of Abyssinia, so that he can return them to us, and we took them and teach them the religion of our forefathers, through the necessary instructions in our country. And so our enemies will not be able to gain any center, and our friendship with you will last forever. I hope you will cooperate.
Oh Lord, we have always had good trade relations with Mecca.
These saboteurs have no place in Abyssinia. It would be appropriate to order their expulsion from here as soon as possible.
What do you think will be our fate, Jaffer? Will Najashi hand us over to the people of Makkah?
Calm down. The messenger of God will not make a mistake about a person like Najashi. You should be satisfied. The day Holy Prophet told us to go from Mecca, he also thought about that day. Otherwise he could have sent us to Yemen, Hira, or anywhere else. Do not be afraid. Trust in God. Keep calm and control your nerves. Trust God. Be content.
As far as I know, a group of forced people have come here to seek refuge, which you think are the elements that are spreading chaos. But I will not accept your words without research. I will not hand him over to you until it is proved to me. Refugees should be presented.
Oh Lord, why do you bother yourself? There is no need for research. We have said nothing but the truth.
Then you should not be bothered to face them. Refugees should be presented to me.
Sure, my lord.